Hey friends, welcome back for another video, or welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm gonna be cleaning up my little office area. We are doing some construction in the house. Hubby is making a built-in entertainment center, so there's a lot of dust from the sanding that he had to do after doing some plaster work. So that's what all this white stuff here is about. This video is a part of a group collab. Everybody else in the collab is doing a declutter video. I do have some decluttering to do, but this task was more pressing because we can't be sitting around in dust like this. So if you like watching decluttering and cleaning videos, once you're done watching this video, you can go ahead and check the description. The playlist to the rest of the ladies will be there. Right here I'm showing you my little crate. It says emBraceSINGHlife on the front. My friend gave me this for my birthday in 2020. I believe it was 2020. I started doing this while baby boy was asleep, and he woke up a little bit after I started cleaning, and then I had to stop. So I just took off everything off of the desk, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the desk with my end dust and my Swiffer duster. I'm gonna use the Swiffer duster instead of a microfiber cloth because I don't want to transfer the dust. This will grab onto them, so that's the main reason I'm using this. Typically I only use this for hard to reach places. I wouldn't use it for the desk unless I just kind of used it already and it could still grab some more dirt. But today I'm using it on the desk because I don't want to transfer the dust. I just rather pick it up. In this bottle I have some liquid that came out of a wipe container. So I use the Salimo, which is the Amazon brand, disinfecting wipes around the house. And the container, it has liquid in there, I guess from the wipes, or liquid in there to keep the wipes moist. But I figured, why throw away the liquid? It's disinfectant, it has disinfectant in there. So I just poured it into one of my Jaws bottles. I don't remember which bottle that one specifically was. I took the label off, but whatever it was, it's just one of the Jaws cleaners that I won't be refilling, either because I think I didn't like the smell of it. The smells are very faint, but that particular one I didn't like it, but I don't remember which one it was. So I'm gonna use that to wipe off the items that I placed on the floor. I left the audio in. I'm not sure if you're hearing, but you would have heard, if you heard, the baby woke up and he's making sounds. He's not really crying or fussing, but he's making some sounds like, I don't know, like he's probably calling me in a not so pleasant way. That right there is my printer cord that's on the side of the desk. I just have a little command hook there, and I kind of wrap the cord around into a circle and hang it there so that when I'm ready to print something I can find the cord easily and just plug it into my laptop at the side right there. So I'm gonna take a break right now. Baby boy still isn't crying, but he is fussing a little bit, and so I'm gonna take a break from cleaning and go get him and then restart a little bit later. So I told myself that I would wait for him to take another nap before I went to finish up over here, but while I was sitting doing some work on the couch with my laptop, I looked over and saw that he was over here. He came over here with his bottle, as you saw me show you when I came into the frame. So since he's over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean all of the stuff and put them back on the table. I'm trying to give him this whiteboard duster so he can stop messing with whatever it is that he was trying to mess with. And you will see from time to time throughout this little part of the video, he's just trying to get into everything. So I do record with my phone, and my phone has been having all types of issues. Overheating is one of its problems. It's gonna overheat and it's gonna stop recording soon, and I'm just gonna be here cleaning and just minding my business, so you're not gonna see the entire cleaning process, but I was just finishing up cleaning off all of the things on the floor here, and then I went under the desk. You can look and see that under the desk, you see the shredder there is dusty as well, so I'm gonna take everything out from under the desk, wipe them off and put them back. And then on the shelves to the right, I'm also gonna remove everything from the shelf. So as promised, here is the after. Everything is clean and dust free now, thank goodness. Hubby's not gonna be doing any more sanding, and if he does any more sanding for that project, it's just gonna be a little bit, so the place is not gonna get this dusty again. So these are the parts that you didn't get to see. I took everything out of the corner here, dusted off everything, and that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for spending 12 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here for another video in another couple days. Bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye-bye.